Annyeonghaseyo, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the interesting chapter of Korean language and culture. In this video, we are continuing our exploration for the word mat, but with a twist. Any guesses? Well, while my last video focused on Korean food, the delicious Korean food, this time we are going to focus on the word mat, but in the exciting worlds of K-pop and K-drama. So get ready to get a whole new perspective on this versatile word. As I told you in my last video, in its most literal sense, mat means flavor, taste and savor. Let's see how this is expressed in the interesting worlds of K-pop and K-dramas.
Example from the K-drama. 이 음식이 맛이 너무 좋아요. 이 음식이 맛이 너무 좋아요. The taste of this food is so good.
Example number 2, K-pop. K-pop lyrics of NCT Hot Sauce. 내가 맛 보여줄게. I'll let you taste it. 내가 맛 보여줄게. Feel. Beyond its culinary meaning, mat can also represent a feeling, a charm, or appeal one feels towards an object, a phenomena, or an event in its literal context of entertainment.
For example, 17은 옷 입는 맛이 좋네. 17 has good taste in clothes. 17은 옷 입는 맛이 좋네. For K-drama, 뷰누석의 연기에는 특별한 맛이 있어. 뷰누석's performance has a special charm. 뷰누석의 연기에는 특별한 맛이 있어.
Pleasure. Lastly, mat can also signify fun, enjoyment, or pleasure when something brings us happiness or satisfaction. For example, watching Korean dramas gives me immense amount of pleasure. Also, for example, singing K-pop songs gives me pleasure. As you continue to explore Korean entertainment, keep an eye out for the diverse ways mat enhances the experience. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also stay tuned for more insights on Korean language and culture. Dam Shigan Khaji. Until next time.